Haiti's farm economy has been dealt a devastating blow by Storm Melissa, which swept across the country's southern departments this week, destroying crops and infrastructure critical to rural livelihoods. Humanitarian coordinator ad interim for Haiti, Gregoire Goodstein, told the United Nations earlier today that preliminary reports show widespread losses in banana plantations, fruit orchards, and food crops, leaving thousands of small farmers facing ruin.
There's been significant agricultural losses in many departments, including banana plantations, fruit trees that were destroyed, food crops that have been destroyed, saturated soils, and of course access is a big issue.
That was UN Humanitarian Coordinator ad interim for Haiti, Gregoire Goodstein.